Hello everyone, welcome to Techavro. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to keep your notification history on. Before starting the video, please subscribe to Techavro. So, let's get started. For this, you have to open your settings. Now go to notifications. Here you can see notification history. Press on this. If you want to keep your notification history on, you just have to turn on the button. That's it. So this is how to keep notification history on in your Android phone. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.